Alright, in this tip, we're going to make a simple data dashboard in the Excel. Means is that we have two sets of the information. We made the chart, we put the like background, we put the head, like name of the dashboard, and also we made two slicer or filter to just adjust the data we needed. This is a basic or baby step toward the designing the dashboard, and it help you to get started. To do that one, we have already one procedure which I'm going to follow it. First of all, I need to download the data from government website. I need to write that link. I need to type it, all those one, to my browser. Make sure HTTP doesn't have S. If you put S here, it doesn't go. So I already typed, and I'm going to my browser, and yep, as I said, HTTP doesn't have S, www.bom.gov.au/climate/data. When I go, it comes to this one. Anything you missing, you're not getting to here. So the first one of my procedure done. Then set on the daily rainfall, make sure it's rainfall, and observation monthly, and suburb is Gosford. Easy peasy. So I'm going here, rainfall, yes, is monthly, and the observation, and then select suburb. I'm going for Gosford as a requested find, and then again return to my procedure. I have to select that one. Also is indicated number 061319 for me, which I can use that one also straight, but click to procedure, and this one. And as I said, short way, just write the that code here, which again is 0613 06061319, and you can get the data straight from here also, but that is not up, that it would come itself when you select the right one. You don't need to enter in case. Go back to the procedure, and then I have to click on the get data. Then I will get data in new tabs would be open, and I need to download them. All right, let's do it. Here in my browser, get the data. As you can see, a new tab is opens, and I click on all years of the data. When I click on all years of the data, as you can see, a zip folder is downloaded. Where is located when it's downloaded? It is already in my download folder. I click on that one, which I just downloaded. In the procedure, it show you how to use a WinArray to unzip it, but I'm going to do it a different way, which is not in the procedure. Right click and extract all. Means is that I unprocess it, unzip it to be a normal usable file. Done that one with 2 clicks, and is opened in the new file for me. Inside there are 3 files. Is explaining what is that file, which if you want to read it, but the files we need for data is in the middle. Click it and open it. All right, so I don't need that one anymore. This was just for demonstration. I'm going to close it. All right, now opening this one. That's the data I just downloaded from government website. Let's go see what procedure said. I've downloaded. That is a zip file. It goes to my download folder. Explanation about data. We need just number 2. When we open the number 2, which is data, we want to do a little bit tidy. Here say deleted from 2000 to 2017, but I want to delete whatever it is null. So I'm going to my file, whatever is null, select it. Then I'm coming here and delete. So I don't want to have any null. Why? Because my dashboard gonna be a little bit not tidy, dropping down and up. Even I can delete all in series, select all, and then delete. Anything else? Yes, last one, and delete. Okay, I think I don't have anyone. So good. I clean my data to be used. All right, let's go back to the procedure. Say here, we just replace it with null, but you can stick to the procedure. Here, we need to make a table and make sure it has a headline. So I'm going here to my data I downloaded. If I go to insert table, and there is another way to make sure you create the table from whatever you need. It was already that one selected, but if nothing selected, I'm going table. It's just that one. You see, I want to give range. I select those data, then I go to the table. The range I selected is automatically here. Make sure this one is tick. Okay. So what's happened is automatically created a table. Go back to the procedure. So done. Now we have to give the name rainfall data, even change it here, then summarize it with pivot table. Let's do that one. So this one, double click rainfall data, done. So click on that one, table design appears, click, and also change it here, rainfall data. All right, done. Now I click on my table, design, summarize with pivot table, and make sure it's right, range of the data, yes, and I want to new tab, that one be created, and okay, as you can see the new one happened. So go back to the procedure said, yeah, done. Here again, I have to rename it to column pivot. Easy, I double click, column pivot, Control A, Control C. I click on that one, analyze design appears. So let me make that one a little bit, click analyze, and here also change it, done. Done. Now this is the pivot table. I click on that one, that panel is appears. I need to click on the years and the annual. Based on the procedure, I drag them to the row. Done. According to procedure, I have to go here and remove this field. So whatever I need is created here. Summary of Control Z. So let's follow it, state pivot. Yep, done. Sum of years. Yeah, sum of year. Click and remove. I was right. So I'm getting that one. What else? And then it said remove sum of years. I've done that one, means the sum of age is here. Then I need to go, okay, when I'm having my pivot table, I click on that one and I'm going to insert, and I'm going to pivot chart because I have a pivot table and pivot charts, and here on the column, and okay. All right, I made a chart for those data. I need, according to procedure, right click here and remove, hide all the field button. I don't want those two, gone. I need to delete that one, gone. And name need to be accurate, not the default. So this is rainfall, done. So those one also, I select them and I would come here and done. So we have a data for rainfall. Let's go to the procedure. Done. All done. Here it said using similar process for Sydney average annual temperature, and downloaded and represented excuse me, this time as a line graph. So this is bar for Sydney temperature for Gosport. Second one, we're going to compare Sydney average annual temperature in the line. Same way, same website, download it. Okay, so we come in here and we need to go to the website. We don't need that one because that was for other one. Here instead of the rainfall, I choose temperature monthly. Here need to be Sydney. Say it the same way, remember? Okay, here find, select, and that one autofill get data. All right, when I get the data, same click here. So it's downloaded. I'm going to my download folder and right click, extract all, and extract. I need just the number 2. Go. All right, is open the number 2 and loading. I don't want null. Click delete. Clean the data. There is one more, number 2. Click delete. Gone. I don't want to have them in 2 files. I select. That's why I'm coming here. I create new tabs. Okay, and I'm gonna have those data all in one single file rather than 2. So I select them, Control C, and I'm coming on the one I was working here, Control V. Now I have all my data on one. So this one is column is not column, is line. So I put a line. Sorry, is temperature data done. Same, Control C. I don't need that one, and I'm coming done. Now I need to make a table. Select down, everything exactly same, and insert and table, and selected headline. Okay, so I have a table now. I change that one also to this one. All right, done. Now again, click on that one, design, summarize with pivot table, everything same. Yep, table 2, something's wrong. It shouldn't be table 2. That's the reason, because I didn't change here. Now if I select design pivot table, it says temperature data, not table 2. I want to new tab. Okay, and done. Again, here the new data tab which is created, I'm gonna name it. So we're going to make line pivot. Yeah, line pivot, done. And next I'm going to click on that one, years and annual. So I drag them here, I drag it here, this one need to go, done. So click on here, and I'm going to now done. I have that one. Click, I'm going to insert and pivot chart, pivot, and this one choose line, click whatever I want, and okay. And a chart for Sydney temperatures here. I name it accurately Sydney temperature. Okay. I have to get rid of them. Same way, hide all the buttons. This one need to go, and I have my second one. Let's go back to the procedure. Procedure say done. It said create a new tab, name it design, and go do that one. Okay, quickly I'm going, I don't need that one. So here, new, I name it dashboard. I'm coming to column pivot, click, Control C, bring it here, Control V, and closing that. closing that. All right, also I want my line one because two data, control C dash. All right, so this one is copied there. Next one, I need to bring the line one, click on the line, control C, and I'm going to my dashboard, and here control V means is that I have two set of different charts. Now I'm going to make the slicer, click on that one, that chart, insert, and a slicer. On the slicer I'm gonna click on the years. That's why I want to get filter based on the year, and okay, and that appears here. I'll put it next to here, and I'm trying to adjust them slightly same. All right, so means is that if you want a specific data, you just click on that one. For example, I just want 9074, and that is auto adjust to show me just that data is selected, or I can clear the format to get all of that. Next one, I want to make another slicer for this one. I click to be selected, insert, and then slicer again. I just want for year, and okay, and I put it also this one next to that chart. And now all right, I don't know I just showed that one or not, but to get rid of those lines, we come to the review, sorry, you come to the view and gradient. It would bring those lines back, or you can get rid of that. Still, we can do some more. We can go to the insert and illustration, shapes, and select a background for our dashboard, something like that. I just put them all in this shape, a little bit up. It is in front of all my charts. Right click, send it back. I can use this one as a background rather than put it here. So even I can give it a name to be more proper. Insert text box, and I put it here. Give a proper name like Sydney weather. Alright, I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna align it in middle. I'm gonna make it bold, a slightly bigger font. Alright, so that's our simple data dashboard, which is interactive. As I said, if I change any data, let's quickly check. If I change to that one, for example, from that one to 2000 to this one, let's see what's gonna happen. Everything gonna be checked. Anyhow, yep, there was gonna be change based on the change in those data. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.